welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you a quick video. Should take me no more than maybe 3-4 minutes, maybe 5. I give it 5 minutes or whatever to do this install. It's something that I've been wanting to have on my Slingshot for a while now. As you can see, I got my work car behind me, so the charger's outside getting detailed and all that stuff right now. So we're just gonna go ahead and get right into it. It's a quick install. It's something for the Slingshot that I know that Zarate has had on their website for a long time, but I've yet to see anybody do a review or an install. And I've seen a lot of these Slingshots out, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. These are the under the hood accent panels or whatever. So you got the green, and it goes here. So pretty much sits in down like this. So it actually goes over the cap here. Like I said, it's a quick install. All it is I'm loosening this bolt for the job. The only thing you're gonna need is get that right, 13 mil socket. Just get it on there. Get it loose. So loosen these. We'll take these two off so you can be able to just slide that plate on. Get those off. You also have to loosen this here so it actually can go around, and it also needs to be cleaned out, but do that later. So it sits down in. You got one screw here, one screw here, but make sure you don't let this slip out your hand because it will fall. This goes to your hood latches. You know what I'm saying? So it will fall because your hood latch obviously is up front. And in order to put it on, you have to slide it down like this here. And it slides right over the piece there. And it goes right to the hose. Then you see that you pull it off to the side or whatever. And then you just put the bolts back in. Got them on. Now it's time to turn them back up. It's a simple install. You know, I haven't seen anybody with them on their Slingshot. Now snug. Make sure you always do hand tighten first. So that's the passenger side here, and you got the driver's side over there. Once again, like I said, you know, it's a quick install. This week I do have man, I got some mods coming in for the Slingshot. You know what I'm saying? Only thing I can say is stay tuned. I've been waiting for these mods to come in for a minute now. So that's just one video right there with those mods. I got like four, maybe 5 videos to drop. You know what I'm saying, with the new mods and all this stuff. I haven't gotten them all in, so I'm still waiting on those. So once I do, you know what I'm saying, it's time to get busy. You know what I'm saying? It's car show season. You know what I'm saying? I got a car show, you know what I'm saying, with the car next week in Atlanta. You know what I'm saying? I'll be out there with my boy, you know what I'm saying, slash brother, homeboy, partner, you know what I'm saying, up in with Shaq and Swag Pack Shaq, you know what I'm saying, which is a good friend of mine. So we got those mods, you know what I'm saying, coming. I got these car shows coming up. So all I can say is stay tuned. And thanks. Have a blessed day.